Hey foodies! Today, I'm excited to share with you a delicious, easy-to-make recipe for chicken chow mein with very simple and easily available ingredients. This dish is perfect for a weeknight meal that the whole family will love. And it takes less than 30 minutes to prepare. So, let's dive in. I'm calling it 2-in-1 because I am making spaghetti in chowmein style. First, heat some oil in a pan and add in 2 tablespoons chopped garlic. Cook it for a minute. This is a quick, well-balanced and simple recipe. Comes together in minutes and is full of colors and taste. Add in 250 grams of julienne cut chicken and cook until it turns white. I hope you enjoy making and eating this delicious recipe as much as I do. Let me know about your experience in the comments section. Boil spaghetti with some salt and yellow food color. Boil for 10 to 12 minutes, then drain and pour tap water over it. Now time to add vegetables. I am adding in a cup full of carrots, 1 large sliced onion, a cup full of bell peppers in red, yellow and green color, cabbage 1 cup, all vegetables cut in julienne. Mix them well. Cook it on high heat and take a large pan. Mine is small, but I have to manage. Now add seasonings. 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 teaspoons salt, and 1 teaspoon sugar. I want little spicy, so adding in 1 teaspoon red chili flakes and 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. But you can replace red chili with black pepper. Give everything a good stir to combine all the flavors. Add in boiled spaghetti. Now let's toss it very well. And there you have it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And subscribe to my channel for more tasty recipes like this one. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!